In a forgotten corner of the multiverse, there existed a boy named Kale, a peculiar kid plagued by what the townsfolk called brainrot. Constantly lost in his chaotic thoughts and nonsensical ramblings, Kale was dismissed as a mad dreamer. But what no one knew was that his brainrot wasn't just a curse, it was the key to something far greater. One fateful night, while staring at the endless void of the cosmos, Kale felt a strange pull deep within his mind. The stars seemed to whisper secrets only he could hear. Suddenly reality cracked like glass, and Kale found himself spiraling into an infinite loop, a cosmic labyrinth where time folded in on itself. Here he encountered the essence of dark matter, an invisible force that made up most of the universe but was untouchable and unseen by ordinary beings. The dark matter seeped into Kale's very being, merging with his fractured mind. His brainrot transformed into raw power, chaotic yet boundless. He could now manipulate the unseen forces of the cosmos, bending gravity, summoning void-like tendrils and warping space itself. But the power came at a cost. The more he used it, the more his mind unraveled, pushing him further into madness. Kale was trapped in this loop for what felt like eons, living and reliving moments of cosmic insanity. Each day became a battle between his growing madness and his desire to harness this power for something meaningful. He began to see patterns in the chaos, a way to use his abilities to escape the loop and return to his world. When Kale finally broke free, he was no longer just a boy. He was a living embodiment of dark matter madness. His chaotic energy became both his weapon and his burden as he wandered the universe, warping reality with every step. Some called him a savior. Others feared him as a harbinger of destruction. Yet Kale didn't care for titles. He lived day by day, embracing the madness within him while unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. For in his chaos lay creation, and in his madness lay infinite possibilities.